providing food, shelter, and protection to cattle to get milk, meat, and other purposes are collectively called animal husbandry. Rearing cattle in rural areas is a traditional practice. Milk production. Our government treats producing milk as an industry. We get milk from cattle. Let us observe the following pie diagram. Generally, farmers rear 1 to 5 cattle on small scale at their homes to produce milk. They supply fodder from their agriculture fields only. Let us observe the following graph. It shows the rate of milk production in various countries. Among cows, traditional species give 2 to 5 liters of milk per day. Murrah species are reared in most of the districts in our state. They give up to 8 liters of milk per day. Haryana, Safrabad, and Nagpuri are the traditional varieties of cows in our country that give a good quantity of milk. Jersey, England, and Holstein, Denmark are the foreign varieties. They give 25 liters of milk per day. These foreign varieties are crossbred with our native or local varieties. They give 8 to 20 liters of milk per day. Cows play a vital role in the total milk production of our country. Out of the milk produced in our country, 60% is used to prepare cheese, khoya, ghee, curd, milk powder, and other milk products. There is a number of dairy farms in our state. The milk in the dairy farm is collected from households and pasteurized. Milk is preserved in packets and transported. Pasteurization. This is the process of destructing disease-causing microorganisms by boiling milk at 63 degrees Celsius or 145 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. After that, it is immediately cooled to below 10 degrees Celsius and stored. This process is used in milk chilling centers. Milk production in cows start with the birth of a calf. It is often suggested that after 2 to 3 days of delivery, milk may be collected for human use. Thereafter, a cow may produce milk for a period of up to 10 months. Milk contains fat, proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, and vitamins, mainly A, B, and E. Nowadays, cattle rearers and dairy farmers are using hormone injections to get a high quantity of milk. Nowadays, adulterated milk is available in the market. Urea, flour, and different types of substances are used to produce milk. These are packed and sent to the market. There are private and government milk collecting and chilling centers in each state of our country. Uttar Pradesh is the highest milk producing state in India. Telangana state is also taking many steps to produce milk in higher quantities. Do you know in which month the rate of milk production is high? Why? Milk production is higher, particularly in some months compared with the remaining months. Let us observe the graph showing milk production month-wise in each state. White Revolution. Professor J.K. Kurian, the father of the White Revolution in India, worked a lot in increasing milk production through cooperative societies to fulfill the needs of our country. He proposed innovative activities in producing hybrid varieties of cows and buffaloes, animal health, milk collection, and preservation. There is a great improvement in the production of milk under the scheme called Operation Flood. About 60 to 70% of the expenses in maintaining animals is for feeding them. Animals need food for two purposes. One is to maintain themselves healthy and the other is for reproduction. We provide hay, green and dry grass, oiled seed cakes of groundnut, etc. used as fodder for cows and buffaloes. These nutritious food helps to produce more milk. Selection procedure. Care should be taken while buying cattle for milk production. The following points should be kept in mind. Select high milk producing varieties, either traditional or hybrid. Observe for 2 to 3 days for average milk production. Number of yields or younger ones. Body size, the capacity of eating fodder and health. Consult a veterinary doctor, an official of the director of the animal husbandry. Practices in livestock keeping. Being high milk yielding varieties, livestock means the animals that are used for milk and agriculture. Rearing is very important. Traditional livestock is becoming depleted because of hybrid varieties. In Odisha, traditional livestock, Chilka buffaloes are reared. They take care to avoid crossbreeding with Murrah. They graze during the night times in the brackish water of Chilka Lake. They return home in the morning and give milk without any extra feed. This milk tastes a bit salty and is kept up to 7 days without refrigeration. The crossbreeds in cattle are produced through artificial insemination to increase milk and meat production. The artificial insemination is the process of injecting the semen obtained from a desired male bull of a high milk yielding breed into the genital or reproductive tract of a female animal. The process of artificial insemination involves The semen of healthy and tough animals of the high milk yielding breed is collected. It is preserved by freezing or chemical methods. The preserved semen is then injected to the genital tract of the female animal during its fertility period. Advantages of artificial insemination. It is economical because semen from a single bull can be used to inseminate several thousand cows. It has a high rate of successful fertilization chances. In our country, people believe that cattle rearing is not only the economic source. Cattle are part and parcel of our culture. They treat them as family members. During some festivals, they decorate their cattle on, and some people call them by their names also. Uses other than milk production. The bones of animals are grinded and used as manure. Leather is another animal product. Leather is used for manufacturing many products like bags, belts, shoes, etc. Biogas. The excreta of animals raised is used to produce biogas. Meat processing from animals is another side of animal wealth. Production of meat on large scale takes place in slaughterhouses or kabela. We get beef from bulls and buffaloes, pork from pigs, and mutton from sheep and goats. These are the prominent meat varieties. During October and November, milk production is higher than the remaining year. Veterinary doctors help cattle rearers with artificial insemination.